Welcome to another tutorial on the master FastSealCreator. Today we will show you how to update the software. The software is rapidly evolving, so new features are very common to appear on new versions. After the software is loaded, we can go here to the updates. And when a new release is available, the screen appears like this. So currently I am running version 5.1.3.3 and the updater is informing me that version 5.1.4.0 is available. So I can download and install the new version if my version can be updated. So I can see here, depending on the contract that I have with the company, if I can update or not. For example, I am able to update until 27 May this year. So if I press here, the download should start. Download is almost finished. So I should press next. Okay, software is now installed and I'm running now again the software. And that's it. After the software is running again and after my login, I will be able to check the new version that is already installed. On the new version, I will check here the new version. I can see that I'm running already the new version, and I can even check the changelog to have a look on the new features that were implemented. So this is all.